Good evening, everybody. I just had to show you downtown Traverse City. This is the road we're traveling on. I'm trying to go get a burger. I'm spending the night with Dad at the hospital. Surgery didn't go great. He's okay. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? But yeah, this is the weather that I'm stuck in this town in. And I don't know from that, can you see that? Yeah, it's just getting heavier and heavier. Woo. So I gotta go get my burger. I gotta get back to the hospital. Cafeteria was closed. Did I already say that? I'm a little rattled. It's a really pretty city. I was just thinking when I was driving in my little wonderful car that takes me everywhere, what a pretty city this was, and that I needed to visit it under better circumstances sometime. I need to take Keith to that room I had last night and spend an evening and go out to dinner. Oh, look at this. How pretty is all this? Oh, let me go down a little bit. I'll be right there, little car. I'm taking a break, y'all. He's a tough customer to have in a hospital, I'm telling you. Yeah. I'll ask him if I can tell you about it sometime. There you go. Look at that. How cool. Yeah, there's a ton of restaurants and stuff. You know, Lake Michigan is right over there. And what we are getting right now is lake effect snow. So when you live here, you get some snow in the wintertime. Now, I bet that it's a beautiful view, but man, I bet you got some heating bills. All right, y'all. I got to get out of here. It ain't stopping. Take it easy.